Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will learn how we can mosaic two different um, tiles of DEM within the ArcGIS Pro. For this, I will create a project, new project. Click on the map. Uh, Now click on this folder icon where you want to save your project. Now select your folder where you want to save your project. I will select this one and I will okay, this is the name of the folder. Now project gsoft underscore dem analysis. Okay, now click OK. Now open your digital elevation model tiles. You can also do one thing more. For example, if I see this is the project folder, but I can not see any digital elevation model on the back end of this project. I will shift these the DEM folder to the this project folder, cut it and paste it here. This is actually the project ArcGIS project file extension file. So in this folder I will put my data here. Now I can very easily add this data set from here like this. Add data and go and come to this folder. Click on this folder and double click on it and now refresh it. And you can see the digital elevation model tiles from here. You can select both of these tiles and you can add it. So our digital elevation model has been added, but here you can see we have two different tiles like this. We will now stitch these two digital elevation model into one raster data, one file. How we will do it? Now go to the analysis tab and geoprocessing tools. Within the geoprocessing tool, you can search Mosaic to New Raster. Mosaic to New Raster. Now select the input raster. I have two input rasters, so I will select both of the. If you have three or more, you can select one by one that as well. And also you can select the output location. For the output location, I will select the DEM, and for in here I will create a new folder and I will name it Mosaic. I will select this output and I will, it says raster dataset name with extension, so DEM underscore Mosaic. And now the best part of this and very important, you also have to add an extension, like if you need it in the PNG format, so you can write it .png. And also you can also write JPG, as well as you can also go for the PDF as well. And but I need it in the TIFF format, so the TIFF will have the coordinates as well. So for now I need TIFF format, so I will write it TIFF here. Now you can also specify the coordinates for it, the coordinate system for it, but now I will use the current map coordinates. So the current map coordinates is NWP LLC, but you can also let me select another coordinates. There is the projected coordinate, the projected UTM, and WGS 1984, and you can northern hemisphere. My area of interest is in the northern hemisphere of North 42 zone, so I will select it, and you can also add it into the favorite as well, and click OK. All right, and now okay, if you have an area of interest like this area of interest, if you do have, so you can come to the environment and you can select that the processing extent. It will mosaic the data within your area of interest. If you do have, you can select it from here like this, and also you can apply the mask then. But for in this case the mask isn't needed here, so you can select only the processing extent. Okay, but I do not have any area of interest, so I will do it like as simply. So run it. Okay, it says fix the missing or annual parameters. I do have, okay, number of bands. Okay, and what will be the cell size? So for this I will uh, click on one of the tile and go to the properties. Within the properties you can see the here is the general metadata source. Within the source we have a lot of informations about this raster. So raster information, so raster information, actually the cell size is this one, so I can copy it. This is the cell size, and a lot of other information. This is 16-bit, dip pixels is 16-bit, so I will also change this 16 to 16-bit. And now special reference, you can also have the special reference, and also you will have the number of bands. So we have only one number of band like this. In the digital elevation model we have only one band. Okay, so one band. And also I have copied the cell size, so I will put here the cell size. Number of band is 1. Okay, again this is 16-bit, and I will click the sign, select the sign. Now click OK. Okay, so uncheck the two tiles, and here you can see the complete digital elevation, Mosaic digital elevation model. I will select this color for it. So here you can see the digital elevation model. Now for the better visualization I will linear burn it, and here you can see this beautiful digital elevation model, and you can take the output from this digital elevation model as well. In the next tutorials we will also crop the digital elevation model from this mosaic for our area of interest, as well as we will also cover the contours, the relief, slope, curvature, and all these other, the stream network, how we can generate the stream network from this digital elevation model. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.